What's up, YouTube? So today we're actually going to be working on the MR2 and putting a wing on it. So let's get started. Okay, so we had the wing all up on the car and then realized that this hole here, the nut on the back side of the fiberglass actually is not there anymore. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole big enough to put a new nut in and put fiberglass behind it. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and do that, get it on. I'm going to have to let it set up, but it shouldn't take too terribly long. So let's get started. Okay, so far, this is not my favorite wing. So far, we've had to redo this bolt, you saw that. The other ones just, I hate using Phillips heads on most of these things, so it sucks mostly. Initially this was hard to paint, and then on top of that, it's just, the craftsmanship here is not what I was hoping for. So it's just pretty disappointing, unfortunately. But we're gonna finish it up because I did pay $200 something for it. So, gonna make it work. All right, so the wing is actually on the car now, fully fitted. There may or may not be screws left in the trunk lid because that was an issue. Overall, look at the wing, it's okay.
Not happy with the wing itself.
Yeah, the craftsmanship on this particular wing was not the best. Mainly that we had to redo some of the bolts in the wing itself, and then also we had to paint it about 5 times. That may not have been the wing's fault itself. We used some Rust-Oleum paint.
Certainly wasn't our fault.
No, it wasn't his fault, at least. It was my fault more so. But it was really rough around the edges, which either way it would have needed to be sanded quite a bit. So overall, but it's on the car, because I paid a lot of money for it. So, and we will see you all in the next video. Did I say bye-bye?
You can do it.
Bye-bye.